Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Jojo Palacio, and on this channel, we talk about all things beauty. Today we are here to do a full face using makeup that is new at Sephora. And I've got quite a bit of stuff. This look here was created using all of this new makeup, and I actually really like it for every day. It's a very appropriate for every day. I messed up my brow somehow and I don't know. Boom, back in business. So we kept it very quick, very simple. I will list all of the products that I use down below, or maybe I'll list out the prices like I do with my haul videos. I don't know yet, but I hope that you guys enjoy this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I just feel like this is a new month. We're starting out fresh and new, and I want to do videos like this and drugstore versions of this as well. So if you guys have new drugstore products that you want me to try, go ahead and list them down below, comment, let's talk about this because the video is coming, as well as I want to do some more skincare content on my channel. I want to talk about summer skincare and what's appropriate. I have combination skin, and that's probably what it'll be geared towards because it is products for me. But if you guys ever have any questions on your specific skin type, whether it's makeup or skincare related, always list it down below. For those of you guys that didn't know, I am an esthetician and I have 7-ish years of experience under my belt when it comes to makeup artistry on other people. I am recently an esthetician, but I've also been dealing with skincare and different skin types, again, through being a makeup artist. So I would love to give you my advice and my suggestions. That's enough rambling and talking. Let's get into this quick and easy everyday look using new makeup at Sephora. All right guys, so welcome back to my channel. Let's get started on today's full face of testing new makeup at Sephora. So we're gonna start from zero, try to get up there to, you know, hero status. So let's start with complexion. So I've already done my skincare. I know that you guys don't see me doing skincare on here often. That's gonna change. We're gonna talk a lot about skincare this summer, but skincare for today is done. So let's get into skin prep. So for primers, I have this new Too Faced Plump and Prime Luxury Face Plumping Primer Serum. So this is not only supposed to hydrate your skin, but also plump as well. You're supposed to notice an increase in face elasticity and plumpness within weeks of using this product. So let's just apply that everywhere. Now this foundation I'm excited for because I've been using the concealer. So Clinique released their even better clinical serum concealer that I've been loving for every day. When I go to work and I just need a little something to lift me up under the eyes or even me out around the nose, forehead, blemish, you know, color correcting, I love that concealer because it is just so lightweight. The coverage is easy, medium, buildable coverage. So when they came out with the foundation to go with it, I was super excited. So this is the Clinique Even Better Clinical Serum Foundation. It's got 25 SPF. As you guys know, Clinique is allergy tested, 100% fragrance free. This is a weightless, buildable to full coverage foundation, and it says to shake well. So we are going to do that. I'm gonna take just a couple of pumps to test this out today. I'm going for a more of a everyday type of makeup look. This is not gonna be a glam moment. Yeah, I can see the coverage very easily with this. It's definitely a medium coverage right away. It's totally lightweight, so lightweight. Okay, so moving on the face, I love doing my complexion first because this process just goes so quickly. And you guys will hear me say that, but it's just so true. When you start off on the eyes, I usually start off on the eyes because I know it's gonna be something elaborate and I just don't wanna mess up the complexion. It just takes longer. So we are already gonna do our contouring, and for contouring, I'm going to try this RMS Beauty Uncover Up. This is, I believe this is just this is a foundation and a concealer in one. They also have a bigger pot that's just the foundation. I got this in the shade 66 to use as a bronzer. I love using cream foundations to bronze up, warm up the skin, especially when I am I like the way that it photographs. I like the way that it looks on camera. So when I saw that there was a cream foundation that we were getting, cream foundations are the best for this stuff. So I'm gonna take my BH Cosmetics angled brush and I'm gonna dip right into this. Just start building it onto the brush. And let's see what happens, peeps. Yeah, it's a very subtle type of contour, very summer appropriate. I'm not mad at it. Let's see how it layers with everything else. This is more of an everyday look, so I'm not mad that it's a very subtle type of bronzer. When I go to do something a little more full glam, I think I'm gonna need to mix it with something else, but let's do our concealer. So for concealer, I'm excited for this product because you guys know that I love to color correct and then highlight. So Laura Mercier came out with this Secret Camouflage Brighten and Correct Duo. I picked it in the shade 1N. And so there is a side that's a color camouflage, color correcting side, and then there's another side that's for brightening. So let's color correct. I'm gonna do the color correcting, color camouflaging in the inner corner, just because that is usually where I put it. I'm gonna do a little bit around the nose. I usually do a little on the forehead. Got a blemish there that I might wanna hide. Yeah, we'll just blend that out. I'm gonna try this out with a sponge. It definitely undid my under eye area. Although I think I may have gotten this a little too light, but maybe not. It definitely undid the under eye circles, so okay, camouflaging side. Let's try the brightening side. That's good. It's definitely different than anything else that's on the market right now, especially at Sephora. And I like the fact that it's got the two sides in one. I mean, it's very lightweight under eyes. I am nervous to see how it wears. It looks okay on camera, but in person, I can start to see it break up just a little bit in this very inner corner. So I do have a new powder to test out by Sephora collection, and I would usually use it right now, but we're gonna wait because I have a cream blush that I want to try out as well in this tutorial. We'll just do this cream blush first, and then we'll start with powders. So we're actually gonna do a couple of more cream products to wrap up our face. This is gonna be, again, an everyday type of look just to test out this makeup. So for blush today, we have the Blush and Bloom Celebrate Cheek and Lip Duo by Jouer. So on one side, we have the first color, which is Celebrate Me, and then on the other side, there's one that says Promise Me. So we're gonna use Celebrate Me, which is this tone right here. I don't know how to apply cream blushes. It makes me nervous. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on the sponge first and then to the cheek area. And we'll work it up. This was pretty easy. So not mad at that. And with the way that I applied it, like the amount that I applied on the sponge, like I'm good. For an everyday, I'm good. Add my highlight. So we're gonna use a cream highlight as well. This is gonna be like a whole summery vibe type of moment. Very lightweight skin. I love the way that it's looking very natural, very soft. I like it. We're gonna try this. This is Saie Beauty, and it is their Glowy Superstar Gel. It is like a serum slash highlight slash basically whatever you want it to be type of serum, but it looks very pretty on the skin. Very lightweight, very natural. Just anywhere where I would normally apply my highlight, I'm just gonna dab with the finger, blend with the sponge, and we'll see how this works. very glowy, but in a very natural way. I like that. I would totally wear it more underneath a foundation, almost as like a primer, or I might just put that on a day where I know that I'm gonna be out in the sun, and I'll mix it into like my SPF just to give me a little glow and radiance. So what I'm gonna do as the last step to this is use my powder to set everything. This is a new powder by Sephora collection. It is their translucent setting powder, a lightweight translucent powder that absorbs oil and reduces shine. It is non-comedogenic, and what I like about it is if you can look in the container, it's almost like a yellowy, banana-y tone. It's not necessarily white, which I like because having a tan, or even for my clients who have dark skin, it's important for you not to have that white cast, and it should be universal. If you say it's universal, it should be universal. A white powder, I don't care how translucent it is not universal. Okay, so to finish off the new at Sephora, there is this Patrick Top for the face, She's Thirsty Major Glow Dewy Milk Mist. We're gonna use this to set everything. She is set. And then lastly, we're gonna do our brows very quickly using the new Anastasia Brow Freeze. This has quickly become my new obsession. Excuse that the lid is dirty, but I just get a little bit from the product, wipe it onto the lid, and we work it into the spoolie. So that's why it's a little bit of a mess here. But like a very natural, feathered, or even structured brow, depending on your brow hair. It really just lifts everything up and keeps it in place. So it's really, really nice to style a brow. All right, so I basically finished up my brows with the two newest Anastasia products. This is the Anastasia Brow Pen, and then you guys saw me apply the Brow Freeze first. I love it just because it gives you a very soft, but yet some type of structure to your brow. So great for every day, so quick and easy. And then lastly, let's do our lips, because everything else I'm gonna do off of camera. I don't have anything new as far as mascara or eyes go. There is stuff that's new at Sephora, I just don't have any. So I am going to use this nude lipstick, which I'm obsessed with ever since I saw. It is a Dior Nude Look Matte in the shade 100. Look at that, totally me. I'm gonna use this lipstick so much. All right guys, so let me throw a little bit of something on my eyes, fix my hair, and I'll be back to do the outro for you guys. But let me just say that I'm obsessed with this color. Look at it. Perfect for every day, so pretty. All right guys, so I'm back with my finished look. Eyes are on, just very something simple. I wanted an everyday type of look to be able to try these items out and review them for you. And I didn't want to add anything that wasn't new. So besides eyes. For the eyes, I did use this Lime Crime Venus 3 palette that came in my BoxyCharm. It had some pretty cute colors in it. I don't know that I would say it's an everyday palette, but the colors that I did use in this palette were pretty blendable. And then I used my Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes mascara, which I have been loving. It's very minimal transferring. I don't think that I've ever had any issues with it transferring, especially when I'm out and about wearing a mask and I feel like I squint because of the mask. So that is it for today's look. I hope that you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, as well as subscribe to my channel. I post videos Wednesdays and Sundays like this. I plan on doing a little more skincare, like I said, and then I also want to do the drugstore version of this, so new at the drugstore. And I'll probably do one of these each month just because I get a ton of gratis. And not only do I want to go over the gratis with you guys, but I want to try it with you guys as well. So comment down below, tell me what content you guys want to see, and I will see you guys next time.